What's up, YouTube? I'm Justin. Today we're going to be replacing the air filter on my 2016 Camaro. It should be pretty much the same for 2016 and up, all 6-gen Camaros. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we're going to dive right in. Alright everybody, so the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to loosen up these 4 screws. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And I believe if you have the 6-cylinder, it's going to be 5 screws, something like that. So we'll start with that. Alright, the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to loosen up this 1 screw here. As you can see, we got our 4 bolts out. After that, we should just be able to pick this up and grab it. Just check this filter out. It's not too terrible. I'm not sure when this was put in. I bought this car used. I don't know if this is the original AC Delco. Yeah, it looks like it is. And compare it to the new one, yeah, this one's way nicer. So it definitely needed to be done. Gotta make sure we don't have any debris in here. A couple little leaves. Get that stuff out while you can. These only go in one way, so make sure you're putting it in the right way. And that's it. Now all you're gonna do is reverse it, secure everything, and that's pretty much it. If this was helpful, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I have a link down in the description so that you can get this filter on Amazon. If you do use that link, it does help out the channel. Thank you everybody that comes, and thanks for watching.